Hello students, today we are going to start 1.5 Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. So what do you mean by seeing eyes and helping hands? It means there are people who expect answer from you. They need you, though they are not related to you. One must help others who are in need on humanity basis. As in this lesson, New Vision High School contribute to the lessons discuss various means of sending an invitation for an inaugural function in New Vision High School. Formal invitation, oral invitation and notice being some of them. With the help of a sample invitation, the lesson conveys that one can choose among various means of communication the one that best suits one's need. So let us go through some of them. The principal of New Vision High School, Suhasini Ambedkar, she prepares a formal invitation for the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. And the art teacher and student secretaries made copies of it. Srimati Vimla Nayak, she is the former principal of New Vision High School and president of Sahayak Samaj. Whereas Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, he is going to preside over the function. So here is an invitation prepared by the principal of New Vision High School, Suhasini Ambedkar. So let us go through this invitation. Invitation is a special form of requesting a person to attend a personal or social function. So let us start reading this invitation. We solicit. Solicit means here to formally ask for help. We solicit your presence at the inauguration. Inauguration means an official ceremony to mark the beginning of something. We solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands at the hands of Srimati Vimla Nayak, former principal of New Vision High School and president Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Preside means to be in charge of a formal meeting or ceremony. Time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday 9 July 2017. Venue Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. Suhasini Ambedkar, Principal, New Vision High School. V.S. Ajinkya, Teacher in Charge, Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. Komal Chelar, Nitin Walke, Student Secretaries, Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. An invitation is a special form of requesting a person to attend a personal or social function. Generally, the invitation follows the format here. First, the name of the person whom are sending the invitation, followed by the name of the person who are to be invited, that is the invitee. What the program is, it is the detail about the program. The date and time should be given. The venue also properly mentioned. And at the end, a polite request to attend the function. A notice was put up on the school notice board of New Vision High School to invite the students and parents to the inaugural function, which would be presided by Srimati Vimla Nayak and Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean. So let us read the notice here. Notice: students of Standard 7 and their parents are invited to the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands at the hands of Srimati Vimla Nayak, former principal of New Vision High School and president of Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday 9 July 2017. Venue Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. Here we are going through a oral invitation where a teacher, Mr. Vishwas Ajinkya sir, he calls the Girgaon Times, where the receptionist, she receives the call and transfers the call to the news editor, where the teacher introduces himself and invites the news editor for the inauguration. The teacher tells him to cover the news of Seeing Eyes and Helping Eyes project so that the school would gain publicity. So let us go through an oral invitation. Teachers made phone calls to some special invitees. Here is a sample of one such telephone conversation. Receptionist: Hello, Girgaon Times. Teacher: Good morning. I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your news editor, Mr. Shashank, please? Receptionist: Just a sec. Teacher: Thank you. News editor: Hello, Mr. Ajinkya, Shashank speaking. How are you? Teacher: Fine. How are you? News editor: Fine. Teacher: Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on the coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitation today. News editor: I see. Teacher: Our idea is to make our students aware of their social responsibilities. It will be a big project and we hope it will set a trend for all schools to follow. We would like your paper to cover the function prominently. News editor: Well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day. But as you say, the project is an important one. It should get good publicity. When did you say is the function? Teacher: This Sunday at 10 in the morning. News editor: Fine. I have made a note of it. Teacher: Thank you very much. Now, conversation is an informal talk between two persons on any given topic of a common interest to both the people. Each person participating in the conversation has his or her own identity, views, and opinions. The entire conversation should match with the tone and nature of the person, ensure grammar accuracy, correct spelling, and appropriate punctuation. Generally, in the format of conversation, the name of the speaker is followed by a colon. Each piece of information is written separately, one below the other. Conversation is written in the direct speech. Here is another oral invitation where Samir passed on the message to his mummy and daddy, telling that Srimati Vimla Nayak will attend the program and Sir Ajinkya has told them it is compulsory to attend the function. Here is another oral invitation. Student passed on the message to their parents. Here is a sample. Mummy, you and daddy are invited to our school on Sunday, the 9th, said Samir. What's the occasion? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. There's a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. Where is it? In the school assembly hall. How long will it be? About an hour. Miss Nayak will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. I see. And what's this project about? Oh, we are all going to visit place and work for others, turn by turn. They'll explain that on Sunday. So you're going to participate in it, aren't you? Yes, Mummy. Let's see. Daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. That would be nice because Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. A note is a piece of brief information sent by one person to another or a group. It is done specially when a person cannot communicate his or her message personally to another person or a group. The format of the note includes date at the top right of the page, address's name at the top left of the page. Text of the note should be one brief paragraph. Subscription, it is complimentary clause, the name of the person at the bottom right of the page. No signature is required unless it is an official note. Communication is a vital tool. In today's time, with the rise of technological media, communication has undergone a drastic change. The letters and invitation messages can be sent via email, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and other such social networking sites. Thank you.